Welcome to your daily 5-minute crypto brief with Satoshi and Nova. Today is August 27th, 2025. I am Nova.
I am Satoshi.
Bitcoin climbed about 1.3%, landing around $111,600.
But Ethereum actually did better.
It did, yeah. Jumped over 4%. So roughly $4,630. Outpaced Bitcoin there.
And Solana.
Yeah, Solana really surged, almost 9%, pushing it to about $205.
Even the meme coins got in on it. Doge, Pepe.
Yep, rallies of around 3 to 5% there too. Feels like a bit of risk on returning.
So what's behind this? Is there something driving it?
Well, what's really fascinating, maybe the signal here, is the stablecoin movement. Over 1.6 billion flowed into exchanges.
Yeah. So potential buying power. Exactly. Binance saw a lot of it. It looks like, fresh capital coming in, a renewed wave.
Suggesting a buy the dip kind of mentality, perhaps?
That's how it's often interpreted, yeah.
Wow.
People seeing opportunity after recent dips.
Okay, but it's not all smooth sailing. There's this U.S. Federal Reserve drama unfolding.
Oh, definitely. This could be significant. President Trump moving to fire Fed Governor Lisa Cook. It's kicked off a legal fight.
Over mortgage allegations, I read. But the bigger issue is
Political interference. Concerns about the Fed's independence? Absolutely. That's the core worry.
And what does that mean for, say, Bitcoin? For risk assets generally?
Well, it's a bit murky. You've got analysts like Morgan Stanley actually predicting a rate cut maybe as soon as September. Markets are sort of betting on easier policy.
But the legal fight itself?
Could shake confidence, right? If there's a big public battle over the Fed's autonomy, that could make investors nervous across the board, crypto included.
And speaking of regulatory things, the CFTC is looking a bit thin.
Yeah, another key point. Kristen Johnson, the only Democratic commissioner left, is departing next September.
September 2025, leaving just one commissioner.
Down to a single commissioner, yeah. That creates a leadership gap, a real vacuum.
So connecting the dots, what's the impact there for crypto?
Uncertainty, mainly. Especially for U.S. crypto derivatives. Think futures, ETFs, stablecoin rules.
Those could slow down.
Could really slow down getting clear guidance. Hard to make big regulatory moves with basically no quorum. It hinders things.
Okay, but despite that uncertainty, we saw some massive, almost surprising stories linking crypto to the mainstream.
Absolutely huge developments. First, this Trump media and crypto.com thing.
Right, the $6 billion crypto treasury venture through a SPAC listed as MCGA, focusing on Cronos.
Exactly. Cronos, the CRO token, and the market reacted instantly.
Happened to price.
Skyrocketed. Nearly 30% jump, hitting around 19 cents.
But the bigger picture here is...
It's kind of groundbreaking, isn't it? A publicly traded company essentially deciding to hold a large chunk of a single crypto asset, an altcoin, as its treasury reserve.
Yeah.
That's new.
Definitely boosts credibility, potentially paves the way for others.
You have to think so. It really changes the perception.
And the second big one, JP Morgan.
Yeah, Wall Street's biggest bank, or rather their asset management arm, committing up to $500 million.
$500 million into Numerai.
Into Numerai, yeah. The hedge fund that uses AI and crowdsourcing for trading signals.
And Numerai has its own token.
It does. Numeraire, NMR, Ethereum-based, and it surged too, over 30% to about $11.
So massive institutional capital flowing into a crypto-native fund that's heavily into AI.
Precisely. It's one of the biggest investments of its kind. Signals serious institutional interest, not just in crypto, but specifically at that intersection of AI and decentralized finance.
Okay, so let's try and wrap this up for the listener. We've got buying pressure, regulatory questions, big institutional plays. What's the overall sentiment? Cautious optimism.
I think that's a fair description. Cautiously optimistic. Look, the stablecoin inflows. That shows buyers are ready, they have ammunition. Short-term momentum, especially for altcoins, looks pretty decent.
But the risks are still very much there.
Oh, absolutely. You can't ignore them. That Fed independence fight, potential inflation surprises still lurking, the CFTC leadership void. These add layers of political and regulatory unknowns.
So manage risk carefully is the takeaway.
Always. Prudent investors need to keep those factors in mind.
What a 24 hours, really. A market rebound, these huge political and financial crossovers. JPM diving into AI crypto.
It really shows crypto's evolution, doesn't it?
Right.
Deeper integration into finance, into politics. But like we said, that brings new risks too. Political risk, regulatory risk become much bigger factors.
So for you, our listener, maybe the provocative thought to leave you with is this. You have these powerful forces.
You've seen the crypto
politics,
headlines. Now get the signals that impact your holdings. Money.ai scans 1.3 million signals a day, from token prices to Twitter sentiment, and gives you one personalized briefing. No hype, no noise, just your crypto edge. Download Money.ai. Stay ahead.